Assalamualaikum, beautiful people. I am Seher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. अभी हो रहे हैं सुबह के 2:30. आज है थर्सडे टेक्निकली एंड 25th, राइट बेबी? ओके 25th. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि बैग्स पैक्ड हो गए हैं एंड इट इज़ बिकॉज वी हैव अ लॉन्ग वीकेंड. ये तो एक्चुअली हम लोगों को कभी भी हॉलीडेज नहीं मिलते हैं. वी गेट यूएस हॉलीडेज. So when all of you guys were celebrating Diwali and Dasara, me and my husband were working. So आज हमें मिल गया है लंबा सा छुट्टी. थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे. एक्चुअली पता नहीं था कि फ्राइडे भी लीव होगा, बट लास्ट मिनट में पता चल गया फ्राइडे लीव है. तो फिर माय हस्बैंड planned a quick getaway for us. We wanted to go somewhere where we've already been, we've already explored, and we didn't have to tire ourselves searching for new places and new things to do. We wanted to do a quick unwind, relax, de-stress out. So we're going to Ooty for 3 days, I suppose, or 4 days, I don't know. He's planned it all out. I just packed everything. तो मेल आया था around 12 o'clock that around 1 o'clock we can log off. So I जल्दी में packed everything. Like I took an hour's time to pack everything. So yeah, we are heading out for a quick getaway and quick relaxation. I wanted to take you guys along. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you take a minute of your time and subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell notification button so you guys are notified of my videos. So I will take you along on this small little trip where we just relax and unwind, and let's see what we do. I don't know what we are doing, but yes, one thing we are doing is having a lot of fun. So tag along. By the way, guys, this lipstick that I have worn, it's an orangish, nudish kind of a lipstick. This is from Westside. It just costs 99 rupees or 100 rupees, or 99 is 100, right? 99 or 120, somewhere around that. It's very inexpensive and I really like the color. I haven't done anything on my face, just apply a moisturizer and a sunscreen, and that's about it. So now let's get going. Before we head out, I just wanted to show you my outfit. I know you guys have seen this outfit a lot, but it's very comfortable to travel. I am wearing a jeans from Levi's. This top is from Westside. I'll be wearing Nike shoes, I guess, or flip-flops, I don't know. But then this is how my outfit looks like. I'm also carrying a jacket from Zara, which I will wear if I feel cold. But this is how my outfit looks like. And I'm wearing my glasses. I'm not wearing my lenses because I want to be comfortable. Hello guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update. तो हम लोग half way cross कर चुके हैं. We have reached Mysore. By the way, we started from Bangalore at 3:30. या 3:30. तो हम लोगों ने ऑन द वे पेट्रोल फिल किया, एयर फिल किया, एंड अभी हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट मैसूर पहुंच गए. एंड माय हस्बैंड इज टेकिंग अ ब्रेक. ही इज हैविंग अ टी एंड सम स्नैक्स आई गेस, एंड देन वी अभी मैसूर रीच हुए हैं. यहाँ से हम लोग ऊटी के लिए ऑलमोस्ट अभी भी 3 hours है. So total journey was 6 hours from Bangalore to Ooty, and we've crossed 3 hours, and we've got 3 hours left for the journey. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update, and whatever happens I will keep you posted. मैसूर रीच हो गए तो मम्मी पापा की बहुत याद आ रही है. मन कर रहा है कि जाके मिल के जाओ, बट हमें लेट हो जाएगा तो फिर हम लोग नहीं स्टॉप करेंगे. मे बी वाइल कमिंग बैक हम लोग स्टॉप करें, बट अभी तो वी विल नॉट बी स्टॉपिंग. Yeah, that's what I wanted to give you an update on. And we might stop for a breakfast. I don't know, we might or we might not, because there is after Gundalpet or something, there is forest area and you wouldn't get any food. So we might reach Ooty at around 9:30, so we might have breakfast there or we might have breakfast early, depends, because इतने टाइम पे हम लोग usually खाना खाते हैं. Some we have our dinner at this time, so if you get hungry and if the shops are open, then we will have before reaching Ooty, or if not we will reach there and have any which ways. जो भी फ्यूचर में होगा बाद में देखा जाएगा. मुझे बस अपडेट देना था, तो I'll catch you guys once we reach the forest area, which is very scenic. I'll add few clips and maybe come in between the video and talk to you guys. Hey guys, तो अपडेट ये है कि हम लोग मैसूर पहुंचे, and as I was telling you, I was missing my mom. So we have some special guests. As you can see, that's mom and dad. So this is a surprise trip for them. We didn't know they are coming. They didn't know they are coming. So this is how it happened. Right now we've stopped for some breakfast because all of us are super hungry. So yeah, let's go have breakfast. We are having at Hotel Coffee House. And this is how the place looks like. It looks like a dhaba. And let's go have breakfast. Guys, look at this dosa. This is not dosa, this is dosa ka abba. And look at the puris. Puri ke bacche.
Looks like a missile.
Guys, look at this. I think it's passion fruit. It's what my mom's saying. But I don't know. But look at how beautiful they are. Surely pretty. And they've also got a lot of other plants as well. There's one bangan ka plant there. I think I showed it to you guys, but I'm not sure. But yeah, they have a lot of it. So that's the bangan ka plant. Let me just show you one second. This one is bangan ka plant. गाइस, हम लोग एक और पिट स्टॉप ले रहे हैं. करंटली हम हैं एक ब्यूटीफुल सी जगह में. मैं आपको व्यू दिखाती हूँ. इट इज अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द व्यू. कैन यू लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल व्यू? मिन ठंडी ठंडी हवा है, मजा आ गया. एंड दैट्स मॉमी. गाइज, हम लोग फाइनली रीच हो गए हैं. हाल बेहाल है. एक्चुअली हम लोग ऊटी में यहीं पे स्टे करते हैं हमेशा, बट फॉर सम रीजन हमें ये लोकेशन नहीं मिल रहा था, तो हमने दूसरा जगह बुक की थी जो बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं थी. फिर उन्हीं का एक और लाइक स्टे था. वहां पे गए. रोड बहुत गंदा था एंड द व्यू वाज आल्सो ओके. इट वाज नॉट ग्रेट, बट दे वर रियली आस्किंग फॉर अ बॉम्ब. सो हम लोगों ने बहुत मुश्किल से ढूंढ ढांड के फाइनली यहाँ पे पहुंचे हैं. बट यहाँ का व्यू इज अमेजिंग, सो इट्स वर्थ ऑल द पेन we've just been through. And this man has been the most patient one. Has driven round and round and round Ooty. Literally हम लोगों ने literally घूमी करने के बाद we've come here, and the management knows us, so they are giving us the best rooms and the best service. So let's hope this stay is really amazing and we enjoy the best and we relax.
अब मम्मी को पढ़ना हो हमारा.
Hey guys, ये हमारे जो रिसोर्ट है उसके सामने if you can see the bison they are grazing and these are wild bison by the way.
Yeah, you need to zoom. It's fine. Zoom.
This is a resort, this is a place, and this is the bison. Hey guys, I know I was missing from some time, but आपके लोगों को पता भी नहीं चला होगा. But actually अभी हो रहे हैं, let me just tell you, अभी हो रहे हैं 11 बजे रात के. तो हम लोग आ गए थे, बहुत अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड किया. फिर बारिश हो रही है, आपने पूरा व्लॉग में देखा ही होगा, बट बारिश हो रही थी. ऑलमोस्ट 7 o'clock से इवनिंग से बारिश शुरू हो गई है. I don't know why I'm panting, but yeah, I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be. I'm just going to do I washed my face. The water is freezing. I think I'm shivering more than, panting. Because the water is super, super cold. And I think it is at this time around 10 degrees or 11 degrees. So I just washed my face with literally ice water. Literally, it was that cold. And right now I'm just hitting the bed. I'm going to be applying my sunscreen. Not my sunscreen. I'm going to be applying my skincare stuff. And my mom, my brother, and my husband are all playing some game, and they're just going over and over and over about the rules and how to play whatever. I just couldn't take it. I've come to the bedroom, and so you will be hearing them talking very loudly. They're not screaming, they're not fighting, they're just arguing as to who won the game right now. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I don't know how long it is going to be, but you guys have to see it. It is really nice. I've tried to vlog as much as I can and be present in the vlog more than just putting random inserting video clips. So yes, I will see you guys tomorrow with yet another vlog, a day 2 of Ooty and things we do over here. But right now I'm too chilly to even speak, so I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Till then, you guys take care, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment one big smile. Bye.